know you was promised a video on what grinds my gears. And as it relates to the Charlie Kirk situation. But that's got to be on the back burner for now because this could be a short video. Ain't gonna be very long. And what if I told you that Georgia has its own Dolton-esque situation? That's next on the Carrington. Sorry, what grinds my gears for Monday, September the 15th. I'm your host, Carrington Holster. This is season 1, episode 5, entitled Dolton, but in Georgia. It's gonna be very brief, by the way. I'm not gonna go far with this, but the mayor, from the recording of this video, the GBI is still investigating in Pearson. And I'm about to read just a snippet of what the GBI got going on. And this is the update from September the 8th of 2025. The update, the GBI arrests City Clerk ongoing City of Pearson corruption investigation. This GBI had arrested Pearson City Clerk Patricia Bayard, age 67, of Pearson, Georgia, with the following felony charges: conspiracy to commit a crime, conspiracy to defraud state and political division, theft by taking, offenses involving public records and or other items, violation of oath by a public officer, false statements in writings. Bayard was taken to custody without incident in Pearson City Hall. She was booked into the Atkinson County Jail. If you don't know, Atkinson County Jail is about an hour away from where I stay here in Waycross. About an hour, 45 minutes or so, to be precise. This arrest also is a continuation of the investigation that previously led to the arrest of Pearson Mayor Robert Buster Johnson, involving a request from the Alfalfa Judicial Court Attorney's Office to investigate fraudulent activity within the city of Pearson City government. And in other words, Pearson need to get his act together. And from what I read, there's the mayor pro tem, forgot the guy's name, but there's a shit ton of issues going on within Pearson, and they need to get it together. They need to get it together fast. So you got the mayor and the city clerk. That's just like, okay. And that seems very familiar. If those who've been paying attention from 2021 to 2025, that's what's going on. That seemed familiar because that's what went on. That's actually what happened in Dolton, Illinois, / Thornton Township. But they have yet to catch Tiffany Henyard, aka the asshole who ran away with millions of dollars, and there's gonna be a series on her too, so stay tuned. And don't worry, we still gonna be on Charlie Kirk. We still gonna seek our teeth into Charlie Kirk's, legacy. But this just breaking news as of September the 8th, which would have been last Tuesday. So, that being said, I'm your host, Carrington Hollister, for What Grinds My Gears, for Monday, September 15th. And wherever you're in the world, wherever you're in the world, whether it's morning or night, I hope you have. Thank you for spending time with me and watching this video, and I'm signing off till next time.